Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how you can make $100 a day online net profit with Amazon self-publishing. So making $100 a day with Amazon self-publishing is not a hard task. It's not that difficult. So I'm just going to give you a basic overview of how this works and just to help you grasp this concept. So with Amazon self-publishing, it's arguably one of the easiest, if not the easiest way to make money online. You can start making money online as little as 48 hours upon publishing a book. And the beauty with Amazon self-publishing is from the get-go, you get to diversify with 3 streams of income. So you have ebooks, then you have paperback books, and then you have audiobooks, right? That's just from one book alone. So let's just say, for example's sake, you make $10 off ebooks, you make $25 off audio paperbacks, and $25 off audiobooks as well. All right. And we add these all together and we get $60 from that one book, right? Now let's imagine we have 10 books in your portfolio times 10. You know, in theory, you'd be making $600 a day if you made $60 from each and every single book. But the reality is with Kindle self-publishing, it's going to be a handful of books that are going to do the heavy lifting, that are going to typically be making most of your money, because if you're starting out, you know, there is a bit of a learning curve. It's not that hard, it's not difficult, but once you master it, you know, it's going to be a handful of books that do make the bulk of your money. Now, this doesn't even include $75 bounties you get from Audible, nor does it include expanded distribution where sales can go nuts. You can make an insane amount of money. I've had a video on this where I've made 400 and I believe it was 80 or 50. Let's just say 50. So 450 in one day because of expanded distribution. I believe it was 480, but let's just say 450 plus. So I made over $450 with expanded distribution. So as you can see, you know, the overview of how to make money with Amazon self-publishing to generate $100 passively each and every single month is not that hard. If it's a goal you have, it's very, very realistic and very attainable. It's not a difficult endeavor. It's not a difficult task. Because again, just imagine you have ebooks, paperback books, and audiobooks, and that's 3 streams of income from one book. And technically, if you look at it that way, so that's 3 for one book. If you were to have, let's say, 10 books in your portfolio, that would be 30 streams of income, right? Because we're counting each stream for each and every single book. So it's not a difficult task at all. It is an easy endeavor if you know what you're doing, if you're applying the right strategies and you're following the right techniques. And I teach you how to do that in Passive Income Publishing Academy, the best nonfiction course on the market. If you're not in this course, you're missing out. Join this course that can change your life, change your publishing business, and just transform, you know, the way you make money online. And again, I go over everything, the whole 9 yards. I give you profitable keywords. I give you my book cover designer. I teach you how to select the most profitable niches. I'll tell you what niches to go for. I teach you how to leverage keywords in certain ways. I teach you how to use Amazon marketing and everything else. So book cover, I already mentioned book cover design. I also didn't mention copywriting. So a killer book description. So copywriting. So how to write a killer book description. So if you want to learn all that good stuff, check out Passive Income Publishing Academy, the best nonfiction course in the market. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this overview. And again, it's not hard. It's a simple business. Anybody telling you otherwise is lying to you. I've simplified it for you. It's not complicated at all. You don't need to spend thousands upon thousands of dollars on mentorship for nonfiction. It's easy. Again, I'm giving you the shortcut to it if you join Passive Income Publishing Academy, which also has a private Facebook group where you can network with like-minded successful publishers. So check it out. Link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.